clock your man, okay? Clock your man, see what he doing, all right? What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tia. You can call me Tia or Sunny, whichever one you like. And I am back with another video. I know I be gone and I come back, and then I be gone for another little minute and I come back. But I'm trying this. I'm trying, okay? I'm really trying here. So today I have a special video. So today this video is sponsored by Sephora Collections. Thank you so much, Sephora, for sponsoring today's video. We have partnered up in today's video, sis, all right? So stay tuned to the end to see our special surprise. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this video. I'm not gonna rap no more. Let's get into it. So y'all know my skin is doing better, so I'm gonna come at y'all with the looks. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. And I'm gonna take my Milk Makeup Hydro Grip. Love this stuff. The best daggone primer in the universe. No, seriously though, this is like the best primer ever. And I just go ahead and work that in. I already moisturized my face. And I did record a foundation routine for you guys. So I explained in there why I put moisturizer on before I do my makeup. So I'll link that up in the card above. Got you. Let that sit for a little bit and then I'm gonna put my foundation on. I'm gonna go ahead and take my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I don't understand why these like foundations and names to products have to be so long. Why does it have to be a whole paragraph? I don't understand. All right, so I'm gonna take 5 pumps of that and then blend this out. I'm using my sponge from Sephora Collections. It looks like this. It's so cute. Look at how it just covers up my daggone acne scars. Yes, ma'am. Oh my gosh, y'all, I've had experiences, some horrible experiences with sponges, but since I've got this one is pretty good and it's affordable, which we love. We like saving our coins. We like keeping it in our pockets, our pocketbooks, you know what I'm saying? We don't want to be just spending it all willy-nilly. I'm gonna highlight a little bit. I'm not gonna highlight too much because I kind of want, I don't want too much of a highlight. So I'm gonna take my, ooh, is this the right one? Okay, girl. This one is a 340 and just do a little bit of highlighting because today we are going for grunge, okay? We are going for dark, eerie vibe, that sultry, that seductive vibe. Ooh, I gotta put some more on, hold on. A little bit right here. She's looking very unclockable. We love that. Gotta show up to the Thanksgiving dinner like, clock me where? Clockable where? Where? Peggy, let me know where you can clock me. Okay, because I'm clocking that mustache above your lips, sis. All right? Clock your man, okay? Clock your man, see what he doing, all right? Y'all always gonna be worrying about me. Worry about yourself.
What do you want me to do?
What about yourself?
Alrighty, so I'm gonna go ahead and make sure I blend out my under eye and everywhere before I set it. Cause sometimes I get like little lines and stuff under my eyes. And I'm gonna take my 2 favorite powders at the moment and press that powder in. Oh, and right now I am contouring my face. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna get this. All the products that I am using will be in the description box below, so definitely check that out. Now I'm going to take some of my bronzer from Fenty Beauty and just bronze up my cheeks a little bit. And I contour my nose, but like it already looks contoured. So I just take a little bit of my Dior Show Backstage palette. This is a contour palette, and go straight down my nose just a little bit. You know what I just like found out? I asked Aaron what his favorite features about me were, and he said my lips and my nose. I've never heard that before. My nose. Now lips, I've definitely heard, but my nose? I just thought that was kind of cute. And of course she said the booty, you know what I'm saying? Cause I got a nice little pumpkin back there. You know what I'm saying? It ain't no melon. It ain't no order nothing. That joint ain't. You know what I'm saying? But it's a nice little something. Feel me? It's nice little boop boop. So I picked up this dip brow gel from Anastasia Beverly Hills because you know they my faves. And this one is in Auburn, and it actually resembles like my hair color a smidget, like a little bit. But I'm going to do my brows now. Alrighty, girlfriends. So now I'm gonna take this palette right here. This is the Sephora Glacial Glow eyeshadow and highlight palette. I'm gonna take this nice mauve shade as my transition color, and I'm gonna put this all over my eyes. Alrighty, I'm just gonna work this in. I really like that shade. It reminds me of this shade called it's by Makeup Geek. It's like called Cocoa Bear or something. I'm just gonna make sure if you have hooded eyes, make sure you look forward so that you can get it over top of your face. And then always bring that shadow in towards your contour, your nose contour. Like that. It's coming along, but to amp it up a little bit more, like this like brick auburny brown. It's like a chestnut. Love that. I'm going to go on the other side of the palette and take this nicer, it's like a brownish, like a chestnut. That's a perfect way to describe it, chestnut. And I'm going to put this right on my lid and pack that there. And then I'm definitely going to put some of that under my eye as well to smoke it out, because I'm going to put some black liner on to smoke it out even more. Y'all, I haven't played in makeup in I don't know how long, probably like 6 months for real. So just doing this is just it's doing something to my spirits, Lord. I am going to go for something more darker than this, a little bit more smokier. So I'm going to take that brown, the Credit and the Jackie Aina palette, and just run this along my lid. Oh, and definitely work that above my hood, of course. You know, gotta work it above my hood. So I'm just doing that in circular motions just to get that brown up there. For a smoky eye, you can never blend too much. Definitely gonna pop some of that down on my waterline as well, just on the outer corner, and smoke that into my inner corner. And then I'm gonna take some of this black eyeliner. Ooh, that's giving me the feels, y'all. This is giving me like pumpkin spice. Okay, so I just put my lashes on and some mascara and stuff. And now I'm gonna add some blush. So I'm gonna take this palette right here. It's so pretty. It's like very festive. And I'm gonna take the blush in the palette and just, ooh, that's too much. That's a lot. Okay, let me put some over here. There we go. That's better. I'm going to go ahead and glow with my illuminator and just add this right here. I don't want to glow too much. I used to be the one who would be like packing on highlight, but now that's just not me anymore. I like to glow from within instead of glowing from the surface. I love that you can't see the highlight from straight on until I go like that, and then it's like, ooh. I want you to catch the glow. I don't want the glow to pop you in the face. Alrighty, so it's time to finish this look. So I'm going to go ahead and line my lips. And I'm just gonna top it off with this Sephora lip stain. Put it right in the center. But yeah, so that is the end of this look. So like I told you guys in the beginning, if you stay till the end, I have a special surprise. So yeah, me and Sephora, we have partnered up to give you guys a giveaway. So one of my subscribers will win a bunch of stuff. Let me read it off to you because it's a lot. It's a mouthful, okay? So you're gonna get a wintertime face palette, the liquid glitter set, lash set, frosted party skincare surprise, a sponge, and a cleaner set. So probably the cleaner will be for your brushes or your sponges, whichever one you want to use it for. But yeah, that is everything that you could win, and it's only going to be one winner. In a week from today, it will close, and I will announce the winner on Instagram, and I'll also announce it in a YouTube video. So yeah, stay tuned for that. So yeah, it's real easy. All you have to do to enter is follow them on Instagram at SC and comment down below that you're done. You can comment anything down below, but just comment your Instagram name because that's how I will find you and that's how we'll get your information and everything like that. But you have to follow Sephora Collections on Instagram. So if you don't have an Instagram, make one. But yeah, giveaway rules are in the description box below, as well as the products I used in today's video, because I know I didn't mention everything, which I always be just in the zone. So check out the description box if you guys want to see what products I use. Follow me on the gram, subscribe to my channel, be part of the gang. And that is it. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.